Good afternoon. I'm Landon with Merman and Press. Today, we're going to talk about med kits, cheap ways to fill them. Okay? So, I got two med kits here. One I built for a friend. They picked the bag. I didn't. This is the bag I picked. The reason I picked this bag, gross motor function. It's got two clips, crappy Velcro. Rip the thing open. Both of these bags I think were $22 a piece on Amazon. So, don't go for the expensive stuff. It's just going to be sitting in the back of your car. Unless you really want an expensive bag that's got, a good sling and good handles and stuff. This is good enough for me. If the handle falls off, I hope somebody just picks the damn thing up and runs to me. Because you could be the one this is being used on. Have that in mind. So in mine, like I said, crappy Velcro. Okay, don't judge. You're judging. I feel you judging. I'm a little self-conscious about my Velcro. Anyway. Main things I have in here, we're not going to do a close-up of it. I'm just going to pull a couple things out because the main concept of this is doing it cheap and having the things you need. You need gauze. This is like half of a pack of gauze from Walgreens. Okay, this is a 4x4 gauze. I have multiple sizes of gauze. I even have rolled gauze. This is from Dollar Tree. Okay, this is $1 worth of gauze. And you can get $4 worth. There you go. You got $4 worth of gauze. Ace Wrap from Dollar Tree. Get those because those tie on the gauze. Alcohol. Hydrogen peroxide. And I like having a little bit of alcohol in a spray bottle. This is good for little cups and scrapes so you can actually cover it without absolutely massacring somebody with pain. Hand sanitizer. Wipes. And then over here I got my cool guy stuff. This is cool guy gauze, okay? This doesn't go on boo-boos. This goes on gunshot wounds. There's probably a trauma kit and a half in here. I've got a tourniquet. I've got a tourniquet in here. A triangle bandage. Another tourniquet. I have trauma stuff in here, but I usually carry a trauma kit in a fanny pack. And that is my trauma kit. That has halo chest seals and all kinds of crazy stuff in it. I got a couple specialty items in here. One of them is not exactly a specialty item. One of them is just an item you should always have, but it's special for a med kit. That would be a CPR mask. You can buy these on Amazon for $5. Okay, get one. This one happens to be compatible with a very specialty item, a bag valve mask. This is the mask that you see on ER shows that they put on somebody and they help them breathe with. I also have a disposable scalpel in here. I am not going to be operating, but if somebody has to pull a scalpel out on me, I'm having the worst day. I'm not going to lie. This is a rolled splint. It's like a disposable splint. It's hard plastic covered in soft foam, and it holds shape very well. I have two of these in here because you have two arms, two legs. You might sprain both your legs falling off something or both your hands falling on something. It's just good to have two. It's good to have four because you have four limbs, but whatever. And you need the Ace bandages. Here, I got a pink one to tie them on. This is also from Dollar Tree. Another thing, it's kind of specialty, a saline flush. I use these to flush... My dog is loose. To flush eyeballs, okay? If you've ever got something in your eye and needed to go to the ER and understood that they probably just flushed it out with this after looking at it for 3 hours and making you wait, learn how to flush eyes. You can flush your own with this. You can get these. If you got nurse friends, these expire all the time and they use them as water guns. They can still wash eyeballs. They don't really go bad. Rubber gloves in here, of course. It's got side pockets. I have pain medication and stuff in here. I labeled it aspirin, but there is ibuprofen and tape and all kinds of stuff. On this side is Band-Aids. Straight up boo-boo kit over here. That way I don't have to open this up to get Band-Aids. I have extra Hello Kitty Band-Aids in here. Over here I keep the Paw Patrol ones out because Paw Patrol is cool. But the Hello Kitty, you always have to be soft, okay? Gotta be soft with some folks. Besides, Paw Patrol is awesome. But, so think about this bag, right? It's just a big red thing that hangs out in my trunk. If I'm unconscious on the side of the road and somebody's with me that knows it's there, we'll go grab it. Or, if I'm semi-conscious, I can grab my rescuer by the shirt and go grab the red bag and a nurse. And then if they found a nurse in that short time, they're going to run to this thing and wrappers are going to go flying. Okay? Main difference between these bags, zippered, Velcro. That's it. This one has some inner dividers and stuff, but this is built to their specifications. This one's built to mine. Also put an emergency contact on the back of your bag. I'm not going to show you mine because you don't need my mom's number. You make enough mom jokes already. So I put my name, my phone number, and nearest relative. I didn't put my mom, but nearest relative and her phone number. Okay, that way if I am unconscious, there's an emergency contact other than, there's other places people can look, but this is one place somebody can look. So, we covered the bags, we covered the inside, we did it cheap, okay? $25 for the bag, we'll say 20, I think. They're pretty cheap. And I'd say what I showed you without the stuff I got from people, you know, friends and such, $40. $40 out the door, you have the biggest med kit you will ever need. $15 outside of getting the bag, $10 will get you one that's good enough for the house, for kids and stuff. Get a couple boxes of Bandages. You probably have enough stuff in your house if you're a parent to get one of these already. You just need a bag to put it in, or need to be having a tub that's marked and tell people where it's at, okay? The only reason these work is because people know where they're at. Get one, tell people where they're at, put your proper information on it, and fill it. Practice with your stuff. Learn some medical knowledge on the side. It helps to understand the difference between ibuprofen and aspirin for reasons. Keep that in mind. Stay safe.